'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Good morning. We are at Animal Kingdom today. Today is the first day that the Festival of Lion King's full show is returned, and I am super excited. We are using Genie+ and some lightning lanes today. I purchased Flight of Passage, and then our individual, oh no, so our regular lightning lane is for the safari, and it's actually like right now. It expires in 10 minutes, but you get a 15-minute grace period. I had a hard time getting the family up, especially this one.
I'm tired.
This kid will sleep his vacation away.
No, I won't.
Tomorrow we go home, buddy.
I know. I'm glad.
I know.
Our friends and I can see the dogs.
True.
I'm gonna go on my regular basis. Squeeze Belle. So I'm gonna squeeze.
You guys can sleep as much as you want next
I know.
week.
I'm gonna squeeze Belle, and then Belle's gonna be like.
Over here on our right, we're coming to graze are the Maasai giraffes. They can grow to be 18 to 20 feet tall. And when they're born, they can stand up to 6 feet tall. Within that first hour, they're able to nurse and stand. And once again, we have more Maasai giraffes here on our right and left. Are the white rhinoceros. They're larger than the black rhinos, weighing up to 4,000 to 5,000 pounds.
Oh, there's the baby going to get something to eat.
We have a little baby rhino here to our left as well. It's about 7 to 8 months old, so it's still nursing.
Aww.
Male lions usually stay back while the female lioness is preferred to hunt. And you'll be able to see gorillas and meerkats.
We just got done with our lightning lane for Flight of Passage, and we had booked. Whoops. We booked Cali River initially after the safari because Expedition Everest was down like all morning, and the only lightning lane was like 5 o'clock tonight, which we're not going to be here tonight. We're going to plan to be back over at Epcot. So we booked Cali as like kids wanted to do it and whatever. And then Michael scrolled the app and he found Expedition Everest for like 11:30. So we had time, oddly enough, to cancel Cali. What is it? No, I thought it was 10:45 to 11:45, yeah. Which is like perfect timing for us because our lightning lane for Flight of Passage was 10:20. So now we get to do Expedition Everest.
Oh no, it's 11:40.
Ah. Yeah, but that's perfect because it's 11 o'clock right now.
Get his ice cream.
Yeah. Perfect timing. So it just goes to show you. Always check the app. And then that's probably the last lightning. We may do Dinosaur, I don't know, because Dinosaur seems to still be available. So if you guys do lightning lane, we chose to do Safari.
Dinosaur always has 30 when we try to go on it.
I don't know, when it's, I don't know.
Let's swing by.
We can get a lightning lane probably for after.
Let's swing by and see. We got 45 minutes.
Yeah, I guess that's true. But I guess your choice whether you want to do Expedition Everest or the Safari for lightning lane. Seemed like Expedition Everest went quicker today for lightning lanes, where usually I feel like it's the opposite for Safari. So it might just be some bigger groups here that want more of a thrill ride versus, you know, Safari. Here is the wait list for Nomad Lounge. It's So people were already starting to line up, like around 10-20 when we first walked by. There was already like 5 or 6 people in line. So they only do a walk-up wait list. You can't join it on the app, which kind of stinks. So you're stuck here kind of like waiting, but it's a great place to get some shade, hang out, get some drinks. Michael's not a fan.
Of what?
You've never been though, technically.
Well, I'm gonna burn money, premium drinks. I'd rather not do it in a theme park. I'd rather do it in a lounge somewhere.
Well, we do it at World Showcase.
It's different. That's what everybody's for.
Okay. I like it because you can see like the flotillas like around too.
We're really gonna try to see them.
Yeah, which we haven't been to this trip, which we're not going to now. So we're in Dinoland and Daddy bought some tickets for the boys so they can play some games. I think this is a tough one, isn't it? You just throw? Oh, you got blue! Oh, you almost had it! That was so close, Aaron. What does he get for a blue one? Oh, he wins a small. Oh, cool.
Mickey, Minnie?
Hey! Nice! Thank you. Let's see, how cute! We have a winner! Not too hard, Bevy. A little softer. There you go. Nice! There you go. Uh-oh. Three's in the lead now. Three's in the lead. Come on, Aaron. Yeah, Aaron. Yay, Aaron. You won, buddy. Oh, thank you. Daddy's holding the babies.
I want to just get a large.
Okay, so if it's blue, it's small, red is a medium, white is a large, and yellow is an extra large. Where's the yellow at? Oh, I see it.
They're like really close. That's like
Yeah.
over here. You get like
White. Okay, I see the whites. I don't know if you can actually aim. I think it's just more about bouncing it. I don't know if there's a strategy to this or not. So. Oh, so close.
I missed my orange. I never walk.
Oh, you got a blue.
I missed my orange. I can have a retry.
Okay, make room for Aaron to throw. Oh, so close.
We got the whole set.
The trifecta of smalls. Thank you. They're so cute. Show me your mini Mickey. Daddy noticed that they have a Dino Institute on their
Take
shirt.
them off. Shirt thing. Like a man.
Well, no, don't take his shirt off. It's cute. See, that makes him different. All right, off to what, Aaron?
Everest.
Everest. How was our picture, Noah? Did you see it? This kid's excited. Oh, I don't think it's open, buddy. Just kidding. Believe it or not, this is the first time on this trip Aaron's had this ice cream, I should say. I almost said had ice cream, no, had this ice cream.
Where do you want me to meet you here?
I just want chocolate.
Someone's excited. It's melting fast.
Remember
Alright, so we ended up getting a lightning lane for Dinosaur. Now we're on our way over. Actually, Daddy and Aaron are going back to the resort, and Noah and I, my little ride or die boy, are gonna go see the Festival of Lion King, and we're hoping to make this 1 o'clock show. It starts in like 15 minutes, so I'm hoping they're gonna let us in because they only play it every hour and I really don't want to have to wait like another hour. So we're gonna book it over. Wow, okay, we got in. Yay! Note to self though, book the lightning lane if you have it. Because I could have totally gotten in early and not even had to wait that whole time, but at least we're gonna be able to get in.
Hiya folks, how you doing? Don't worry, I'll fight the Monkeys here. The show can begin. Hi everybody. Hey, Cobra, Timon. Look everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome Simba, you're right on time. Coming through. Big head on a mission here. It's showtime. Alright, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time. 9, 1, quiet! Thank you. Direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys!
our time at Animal Kingdom. What did you think of the reopening of Festival Lion King?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Happy to see the Tumble Monkeys back. Though we were talking, I'm like, I swear it used to be longer. Like, I think the show is shorter. Because I thought the Tumble Monkeys had like more stunts and stuff, but regardless, I'm just happy they're back. But we got a lot done today with Genie+. Now we are going to head back out to the resort, maybe swim, relax a little bit, and then I think head to Epcot tonight. We're gonna start stacking all of our Genie+ for tonight over there. We did buy a Guardians though, so we do have that tonight too. So thank you so much for following along. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more adventures, and we'll see you next time. Go live your DisGoals. Bye.